G7 financial minister on Monday stressed they need to regulate digital currency according to a U.S. Treasury Department. The U.S. Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin hosted a virtual discussion Monday morning with the finance minister and central bank governor from Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, and the UK, the European Commission, and finance minister from the Eurozone. The attendees talked about response to the ever-changing landscape for cryptocurrency and the other digital asset as well as government effort to prevent their use for illegal purpose, according to the statement. There is strong support across the G7 on the need to regulate digital currency, the statement read. The minister and governor also discussed domestic and international economic response, underway and strategies to achieve a robust recovery throughout the global economy, the statement said. These people get together and now we see what they're talking about. So if they're talking about digital currency, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, that's good news. You have to understand, a couple years ago or last year, this wasn't being mentioned, or we didn't know about it. So you got to think outside the box on what is to come. Next piece of news. Blockstack says its cryptocurrency can soon start in the US. That's some good news right there. The Stacks token STX will no longer constitute a security when the Stacks 2.0 blockchain launch next month, claims Blockstack PBC. The company that has for over a year has held off its listing its token on major exchange until it was certain that the US Security and Exchange Commission wouldn't sue it for a security violation. Blockstack PBC today published a legal memorandum in which its independent counsel, U.S. law firm Wilson Sonnen, Goldrich, and Rosati argued that the mainnet launch of the Stacks 2.0 blockchain set for 14th January 2021 means that there is no way that the U.S. Security and Exchange Commission consider XTX a security. A non-security status means that the U.S. cryptocurrency exchange, such as Coinbase and Kraken, could list the token and that U.S. citizen could trade it. That is very, very, very good, because if you're getting listed on major exchange and now U.S. residents can buy and trade, definitely the volume should pick up a little bit for this. Or next piece of news. Bitcoin Darknet Silk Road movie acquired by Lionsgate to premiere in February. An upcoming feature film titled Silk Road will hit theaters in the US in February, according to Lionsgate, which announced Monday that it has acquired the movie. The American-Canadian entertainment company plans to release the film on February 19th in the US theaters, digital and video on demand. It will then be available on Blu-ray and DVD on February 23rd. The Silk Road movie is based on the Rolling Stone article called Dead End Silk Road by David Kushner. The movie is written for the screen and directed by Tiller Russell. IMDb described the movie plot as philosophical. 20th-something Ross Ulrich creates Silk Road, a darknet website that sells narcotics, while DEA agent Rick Bowden goes undercover to bring him down. Now we see that the entertainment business is also paying attention. I've heard about a movie that was coming about Bitcoin and stuff, but I think it's something else or a different company. I'm not too sure if it was this, but this is also a positive thing because movies are being made. Next piece of news. Snowden revisited Bitcoin bottom call made during the coronavirus driven meltdown in crypto market. The famous American whistleblower Edward Snowden took to his Twitter account again to talk about Bitcoin. This time around, he confirmed on December 7th his call on the bottom that the crypto reached on March 12, 2020. Snowden remembered his call on Bitcoin bottom in March 2020. Edward Snowden, a former Central Intelligence Agency CIA employee and National Security Agency NSA subcontractor, retweeted a message he posted on March 13, 2020, where he made the following statement on Bitcoin price at the time. "This is the first time in a while I felt like buying Bitcoin. That drop was too much panic and too little reason." I will leave the link in the description if you guys want to continue reading and want to know a little bit more. But when I see people like this talking about Bitcoin, I find it to be interesting because these are people that know about surveillance. Keep that in mind. Let that sizzle in your spirit. Let's go. Next piece of news. German stock exchange crypto trading app surpasses 1 billion volume this year. German's second largest stock exchange, Boris Stuttgart, announced Monday that its cryptocurrency trading app Bison has reached a total trading volume of 1 billion euros. Over 1.2 billion so far this year. So the 1.2 is in American dollars. The cryptocurrency trading volume on Bison also hit record heights several days in November, exceeding 35 million euros. The number of active users of the Bison app has also increased by 180% to 206,000 during the same time period. So we see that stock exchange all around the world is hitting record number. They're hitting in the billions. So you know that everything is going to be tokenized, because once they see numbers like this, investors' interest is going to spark. The government interest is going to spark, because you got to understand, all they care about is money. Next piece of news. Spain's second largest bank will soon launch crypto services. Sources. So you see another bank. This one is in Spain. The second largest bank in Spain, with about 840 billion in asset, is poised to enter the cryptocurrency trading and custody space, according to two people familiar with the plans. We see that the banks are working. They're coming. There's no other use for banks. So it's either they get involved or get lost. The next piece of news. SBI teams up with Swiss 6 Exchange to offer institutional crypto service in Singapore. SBI Holding is very, very big. Maybe not on this side of the world, but in the Asian side of the world, they're very, very big. And you see them doing this with Switzerland Exchange. Understand that these people are not getting into this and to lose money. They're not going to put the name out there if they don't see the benefit or have a plan to make billions off this. That's what they're about, and that's what they're going to focus on, because they see the change and they see the demand for this. Definitely this is going to be big. So that's all the news that I got for you guys today. Bitcoin is traded at 18,806. Understand that what is to come, we could only imagine. A year ago, 2 years ago, news like this was not coming out. So definitely read up more about on this, but everybody knows that the banks are coming. If they're not already here, they're coming. So the price that you see today might be a different price tomorrow. This is crypto, Bitcoin. Let's get it.